So if you're having problems with your Wise trading address and utility bill issues, well, there are going to be a few things that you may want to keep in mind in here. So first things first, we need to understand exactly what Wise needs from you. Now, when Wise asks for address verification, it's not just about your location. It's about providing that the address you listed is real and tied to your business. Now, before uploading anything, check that Wise specifically requested in their message or help article. Now, there usually is acceptable documents like the utility bill, lease agreement, bank statement, and make sure you know which address they're asking for. Sometimes it's your personal residential address, and other times it's your business rating address. Now, also you want to make sure your document fits their requirements. Now, take a good look here at your document. If it needs to have full name or your business name, if it if this is not is for if this is for your company, uh, a company account, the correct address that matches what's on your Wise profile, and it should be recent. Ideally issued within the last 3 months. So Wise can be pretty strict. So if you try uploading a mobile phone bill or a document with different spelling of your name, they'll likely check it. So go for something solid like electric, water, or bank statements with a full address on it. Now, also, you may want to update or upload your document in Wise. Now, once you've got the right document, open the Wise app or website and head to your settings. Now, for personal accounts, update it on their personal address. Now, for business accounts, you want to go to Business Profile and look for the section labeled for trading address. Now, type in the correct address, upload your proof, and save it. Now, if it's valid, Wise will usually confirm it just a few business days. Now, if not, they let you know that what went wrong so you can try again. Now, this part is going to be important. Now, if your document isn't under your name, contact the service provider and ask them to reissue it. If you're using a virtual address or PO box, Wise won't accept that. So they only take physical residential or business locations. Also, make sure the document is new enough. Now, if it's too old or blurry, take a fresh photo or take a new version issued. So basically, Wise needs to clearly see that your name and address match your account details exactly. And also keep your account updated and compliant. Now, once your address is verified, it's best to stay ahead of future issues. Now, if you move to a new place or change your business location, update Wise as soon as possible and upload a new proof. Now, for business accounts, make sure both your registered and trading address stays accurate. And if your account ever gets flagged or temporarily restricted, just reach out to Wise support. Submit the updated documents and keep track of your case through their help center. Now, they usually resolve it quickly once everything matches up. And that's about it. Hopefully this video is able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.